What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a combustion. In this review, we have a combustible gas detector. This is a high sensitivity gas leak detector, you guys. We did purchase a Samsung range stove, whatever you want to call it, whatever nickname you want to call it. I call it a stove. You may call it a range, but we bought a Samsung range from Home Depot and I installed it. I cut the gas off, unthreaded, took it out, took the old one out, put the old one in, thread up the gas lines and turned the gas back on, and we're good to go. Everything is good so far. I'm still alive, and everyone else. So with that being said, this is a gas leak detector, you guys. I know a lot of people are a little bit afraid of gas and stuff like that. If you want to do your own DIYs on, let's say your water heater, to change your water heater, you do have a gas line going to your water heater, which gives you hot water, right? You need the gas to, unless you got an electrical water heater, you guys, then y'all can disregard everything I'm talking about. But if you have a gas water heater, this may apply to you if you change your water heater out and you want to make sure you have no gas leaks and stuff like that. Or you can do what the old heads do, get some soap, water, mix it up and spray the gas lines. If you get bubbles, then you have a leak somewhere, okay? Other than that, let's go ahead and get into this product. It looks pretty cool. Now, I am not a professional, you guys. Far from a professional. I don't know nothing about this meter right here. So I am gonna go over this just like a newbie will go over it. And all right, so 3 AAAs. Thank you, company, for giving us the AAAs. Thank you. This look like it may be the detector right here, which is nice. This is nice. All right, you guys, we're about to take our beauty cover off. I know a lot of people don't like to do this, but it's not new no more. Let's go ahead and install the batteries. Okay, everyone, so we are at the final with this gas detector. I did some reading on it and I will go over most of this stuff on here. All right, so when you turn it on, you gotta hold it. And when you turn it on, it goes into a calibration. As soon as you turn it on, it will do this. This is the calibration. When I'm doing the calibration, I'm supposed to be far away from gas as possible, but I'm just doing it right here. Just to do it right here. I don't have nothing on right now. So it's calibrating. It does it like 2 to 3 times. It takes like 30 seconds. And then we will go ahead and get into this thing. All right, so there we go. Now right here, if you want to know this is the humidity. They said this is humidity, this is your temperature, of course, and you got Celsius and Fahrenheit. If you want to go ahead and change that, you can by holding this down. When you hold this down, it'll change to Fahrenheit. I use Fahrenheit, so if you use Celsius, you got 2 choices. Right here, your APO, and then you have your light right here. So when you tap this, this turns the, if you see this little power button right here, it's an auto shut off. If you leave it like this, it will shut off in like 30 seconds unless you keep on touching it or something like that. I believe it's 30 seconds, but we are going to turn the auto shut off. All right. Now we turn that off. You see the power is gone from there. Over here, we have high and low. High and low is right here. So if you want your sensitivity to be low, you just click it right there. If you want your sensitivity to be high, you click it right there. And also with the Celsius and Fahrenheit, you can shut your volume off. So we hold that down. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to hold it down. I meant to press it. So you hold it down to go back to your temperature. You press it, and then it's muted. High and low is right here. So if you want your sensitivity to be low, you just click it right there. If you want your sensitivity to be high, you click it right there. And also with the Celsius and Fahrenheit, you can shut your volume off. So We hold that down. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to hold it down. I meant to press it. So you hold it down to go back to your temperature. And then it's muted. So now you can hit high and low, you don't hear the sound. But me, I'm gonna leave it on so I can hear the sound. All right, you guys, so as far as 0 goes, I have no clue because I looked through the whole instructions and I couldn't find it. So I will skip 0. 0 is not my concern. Detecting the gas is my concern. So let's go ahead and give this thing a shot. Now what we're going to do is turn one of the pilots on, but we're not going to turn it all the way. So right now we have it on. Y'all see it's detecting, right? I'm gonna turn it off. Let's see how long it takes, you guys. Now it's going down, it's going down. All right, so it went down. The benefit for this is if you are a DIYer, especially a DIYer, just like me. If you are a DIYer and you know you're not really confident on your gas hookup, then this will be a good device. One con for me is this takes batteries. I wish this was rechargeable, you guys, so I could leave it on like how it's on right now. I would like to leave this on all the time. If you install stoves for people and stuff like that, HVAC people, they install gas furnaces, water heater, maybe gas. This will be a good tool for them just to make sure they check their gas line, or you can use soap and water, whatever you choose, however you do it. But this is a good product. One last thing I forgot to tell y'all is that this have a light to it. So you see where this APO part is, if you tap it once, the light will come on. So once again, if you're working, then this will be a good light for you if you need it. All right, you guys, so that is it with this gas detector. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe,